Hello and welcome to British Academy. Today I'll show you really quickly how to do while true loops in Go and do while loops in Go. So let's start. I'm using Visual Studio here, Visual Studio Code, which is a bit lighter version of Visual Studio. So let's start with the package main, because we only have one package. And we will have the function main like this. And then we'll start with something really simple. Okay, this is from another language. The for loop, because the for loop is actually the only one I had that Golang has. So it's like this: for e less than 100, e plus plus, and we have to define e, of course. E would be 1, and of course we have to print fnt e. It's pretty easy, just imported fmt for us. Let's see what this is going to do. It will be go run main. This is how the loop works, pretty much beauty, starting from from 1 and then going all the way to 99, and at 100, because it is less, stops. So this is really the easy for loop. But as you know, I mentioned while do loops and do while loops here, so I'll show this as well. So let's see, let's write here single line. So that will be used just to divide the loops. So fmt print one single line, and I'll write here the print line while do loop. In commas. Okay, so what's the while do loop? In the general we have while, then condition, and while the condition is true we do something here. So let's say our I becomes 1 again, and then while the condition we have to write this one with 4. So we'll say while the condition is, let's say, less than 5, for example, while for I less than 5, fmt print line I fmt I plus plus. Actually, as you note, this is pretty much the same, just the condition is different. So this for loop can be also a while loop. Yeah, okay, I'll still run it just to see what's going to happen. Yeah, while do loop I haven't saved. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Okay, the do while loop is a bit more interesting because it doesn't matter whether the condition is true, the loop should always go inside. So let's say in this case I'll do II, so it's different, we don't do anything wrong there. II 10. Just want to fix this stuff so it looks nice. For loop. So yeah, do while loop, II equals 10, and we also need something called expression. It's a Boolean expression, and in our case it would be true. That's the idea of the do while thing. So for OK equals true, we are OK. OK equals expression. What do we do there? Of course, we print line our II. We increment the II. And here is how we do it pretty much here. If it's with the condition II is less than 5, expression becomes false. What's the interesting part here? That in this case, our II is actually 10 from the beginning, but still it will run once because this is the idea of the do while. I mean, we do this loop at least once. So let's see, would we do it at least once? While do. Okay, I haven't probably saved enough. I just pressed Ctrl S and let's see. And this is something that should not become in life. Ctrl C is what will help us. Okay, so if II less than 5, no, II more than 5, that's the way. Expression will become false. I just cancelled it with Ctrl C. Stuff like this happens. Let's run it once again, and we just see that it's just run once. Then, although the condition is a bit restrictive, we shouldn't have entered it, and because it's a do while loop, the idea of the loop is that we enter at least once. So pretty much that's the whole story. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye.